Hi, good morning. It's Friday, almost 9:10. Wanted to give a quick update. Today, there's like two news events and how it's going to affect the markets. Like the NQ, that's NASDAQ that I've been trading. So this is what happened yesterday, day before yesterday. You can see it came down and then it took this high. Old high. This is on a 15 minutes. Took the old high, went over here, and today it took this high. So this is on a 15 minutes, and there was news at 8:30, and then there's going to be another news at 10 o'clock. So most probably what's going to happen, like in a short video. So this is 15 minutes. Let's go in 5 minutes. So this was the news event, and then you can see it like in this 5 minutes time it went all the way high, and then the market is trading in that range. If you go, if you see that this is a long wick right here, and then the market came down. Now it's trading in that range. Like if you go in 1 minute, so that's your 1 minute chart. Okay, so the market came all the way down here, and then right here. Okay, so let me show the 5 minute wick. So this wick from here to the top, right? I'll be watching for the 50% of this wick. So you can see it's on the upper side, right? So it's kind of good for longs. And then if you go in 1 minute chart, so this one actually I will trade it not today. This means not I'm not trading it today, but in future this is what I'll be doing on the there are two news events today. So what I'm thinking is, so look at this one. It's the candlesticks are above the half point, right? So most probably by before the other news event, right, the market will go up. It will go up, and after the other news event, it will now it's taking the buy side, right? So it will go into, like if you see on the forget it, like I'll be going into deep. So what will happen is this news event right at 8:30 is taking the price up. So once now you can see it's above this 50% the wick, right, that I showed you. And let me show you one more thing that I was telling you before. So you can, let me remove this. So once it came down, you can see this wick, this and this one. Okay, so you can see this wick high and this wick's low, right? This candle in bit, there's a candle in between. So it came and touched this wick's top and this wick, right? So if you remember in I think so 1 or 2 videos back, I said that's a rebalance. Means it came and did the balance really nicely. So once it does that, it really moves really fast, like really fast, right? You can see what it did. It moved really fast to the liquidity right here on top. It took the liquidity, right, by 1 2 ticks or whatever it is. It means it goes there and it should go to it and through it. So it went there and then through it, right? So that's it took the liquidity, and then it's not going below the 50% of the wick on the 5 minutes. And I'm thinking, let's this was the one I wanted to show you. Rebalance. Once this happens, if it's going downside, right, and once this rebalance happens, it really goes down. So if I was watching it and see if I wanted to trade, this is I'm just watching it. Okay, price. So if I was trading it, like I had gone into my NASDAQ's account, and I wanted to trade it because looking at all this thing, right? I know at least it will go up here, and the move from here, since it's like a news event, that price will be kind of little expensive, just like options, right? So it was like almost 39 or $40 over here, 35 to $40, right? And like looking at this price action, I was kind of certain that it will hit it, right? See, it went little bit up. It means it took the liquidity. So I could have easily made like, even if it was 50, right? So like I say, the binary option is going to be the other half. If it would have been 20, and if it go till there, then I would get the other 80 to make it 100%. So it's all like 1 and 0, right? So it's like that. So even if it would have been 50, I would have put 50, right? It would have, once it's over here, it would have been like, the option would have been $100. So but I don't want to really trade it because this is like news, and it can whipsaw any side. But like once you're watching the price, right? See, if you are not doing this kind of price analysis, right? You can, if you go on a TV or YouTube or whatever, they'll say, oh, it's like it's going to be choppy, whipsaw, you'll get like whipsawed and this and that. But if you are looking at the price action, it will make you more confidence, and it will be easier for you to trade, and it's going to be boring and predictable. That's how it should be. It should be really boring. You like, once you're here, right? I say this, oh, it's going to go here, right? I already know it. Like, yeah, oh man, that's boring, right? Boring in the sense it's predictable and boring. So it should be just like that. It should not be like, you should not be anxious or anything, and like anxious and like unpredictable, right? Oh, you're in the trade right here, and then you're thinking, oh, now where it's going to go? Is it going to go up or no, up or no, right? So that is like unpredictable and exciting. So that should not be the case. So what I'm saying is, for now, this one, if there is any efficiency, you can select. This is a really balanced price action, right? Choppy in the sense like all this price is up and down, up and down. So this is like a balanced price action. Over here you can see, like, from this here, right? The wick came top, this wick came, it's balanced, like it's kind of up and down. There's no such a kind of like where you can see a gap, right? Over here also there's nothing. Okay, so this came up, this came down. You can see a little inefficiency right here in these two candles, right? So if the price comes all the way down, most probably this is a really small efficiency right here. If you see, it's like, it's a really small one. If it comes all the way down, it should come somewhere here and then go up. So if it is going up, right, you can see it's still like the last it came. This is above 50%. You can see, oh, this is dropping, right, but it's still above the 50% that I was showing on the fibs. And then my thing, what I'm looking at is, let me close this video really soon. The price is going to go up to just two things, right? It's going to go to the left side where there is liquidity, or there is, the price was not traded properly, like kind of like a gap, right? And it will go there, take the liquidity, and after the 10 o'clock news, it's going to come all the way down and take all this liquidity. That's what I'll be looking for, and let's see how it's going to turn out to be, right? Maybe you won't see this video. What is this? Today's Friday. Okay, maybe it's, so you'll be looking at it after maybe Sunday or something. All right, take care. You enjoyed it, and good night. It's morning for me. Bye.